Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 27th day of March 2026. We just got done with the U.S. closed live trading room, and here's a trade taken in the room today. The setup was what we usually do in the room. We look for these strong candle indicators, and we take them in the direction that the indicator says to go. So this is red pointing down to the bottom of the screen. So we're going to trade this short as far as we can go. Now you see the market's pulled up. It's come back down. It tried to go up again and failed miserably. And this time, after this double failure, this is going to go quite well. So it's quite a lovely signal. We'll put a cover order on because our tail here is very short. If it hits it, then we'll just put our stop where it belongs and just see how it goes. Now, the PVI is around 100. I expect the next candle to be around 100 ticks in length. So we'll go with our ATM where we go for 20 tick first targets. Then we'll de-risk the trade. Then we'll go for 50 and 100 tick runners. And we do this regularly. And this is how it went down in the room today. Now, as soon as we get picked up, well, the stop is actually where it belongs. So there you go. That's not too bad. And now we just sit and wait. We'll just go ahead and speed things up, so we're not here all day. And you'll see where the stop is. As soon as we get our 20 tick target, then our stop comes down to a break even position. So 50s are out and 20s are out, and now we have to see if we can get our long-term runner down here at the 100 tick level. Boom, it's out. That did not take long at all. It took a little bit more than 90 seconds to complete. And that trade right there was worth 970 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 970 US dollars in 90 seconds, come and join us at samurai.daytrading.com, samurai.daytrading.com, and we'll look forward to seeing you in the live trading room real soon. God bless you. We'll see you next time.